Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the search and filter functions on the CMS distribution web store. As you can see, I'm currently on the homepage. To find out more about products and vendors, you can click on the search bar, which is placed at the top of the header. Once you click on the search bar, a white box appears. Inside this box, popular searches are listed on the left-hand side. Popular vendors on the CMS distribution web store are also displayed. There's also a Trending Now section, which includes product suggestions. If you're not interested in any of these listed products, you can search for the vendor or product you're interested in. If you've purchased from us before online, the products you've purchased in the past will also appear in this box. For example, let's type TP-Link into the search bar. When you do, another box appears, showing suggested products related to the term. Categories such as vendors, E.G, TP-Link, and product types, E.G, networking, are displayed. On the right-hand side, you'll also see more suggestions, such as TP-Link, TP-Link hashtag, and TP-Link 2.4. For this tutorial, I'll simply enter TP-Link in the search bar, which brings up a new page. On this page, you'll find related search terms listed below the search bar. To refine your search, you can filter results. For instance, you can hide out-of-stock items to focus only on products that are available. Let's filter by vendor, TP-Link, and sort the results by price, from low to high. You can change the sorting option anytime by clicking the arrow to amend your choice. Once filtered, the page displays both in-stock and out-of-stock products. To refine further, click Hide Out of Stock, and you can also add filters such as New Arrivals. Additionally, when using the search function, the selected categories and vendors are displayed as filters. If you decide you don't want to see results for a specific filter, like New Arrivals, you can remove it individually or clear all filters at once. For instance, let's remove the New Arrivals filter. Doing so will return us to the original vendor selection for TP-Link. This is how you use the search and filter functions on the CMS distribution web store.